After more than 40 years in the bicycle industry, Calvin Jones' favorite place to be is still in the workshop with a bike in the stand. From the company that wrote the book on bike repair comes the third edition of the Big Blue Book of Bicycle Repair, authored by Calvin Jones, Education Director at Park Tool. Calvin's hands-on approach through explanations and attention to detail help make the Big Blue Book of Bicycle Repair the perfect manual and maintenance guide for beginners and seasoned professionals. Updated with new information, techniques, photos, procedures, and components, this comprehensive repair manual provides both the novice and veteran mechanic with the necessary information to perform nearly any repair, from trailside repairs to complete overhauls. This easy-to-follow manual has step-by-step instructions for keeping any road, mountain, BMX, and single-speed bike running smoothly.